Welcome to lesson 12. Today we're going to talk about family. Grandmother, grandfather. Mother, father. Wife, husband. Daughter, son. Girl, boy. Sister, brother. Aunt, uncle. Cousin, cousin. We're going to start from the right side at the top. A grandfather and a grandmother. This is your grandfather and your grandmother. So it is your father's father and your father's mother. On the other side, you have another grandfather and grandmother, and they are your mother's father and mother. Your father has a brother and a sister. They are your aunt and your uncle. Your mother has a sister. She is your aunt. Your aunt has children. They are your cousins. Your uncle has children. They are also your cousins. And you are the son or the daughter. You are your mother and your father's son or daughter. Now look at the picture again from the right side. You have a grandfather, Brett. His name is Brett. Brett is your grandfather and Amy is your grandmother. So you are Brett's grandchild, and if you're a boy, you're his grandson, and if you're a girl, you're his granddaughter. Simon is your aunt. Joe is your uncle. Mike is your father. Kate is your mother. You are Mike's child, or Mike's son if you're a boy, or Mike's daughter if you're a girl. Lily, Jilly, and Darren are your cousins. You are Lily, Jilly, and Darren's cousin with no S because you are only one. So there are three of them, so they're your cousins, and you are their cousin. Now Mike is your what? Is he your mother or your aunt or your uncle or your father? He's your father. And you are Kate's uncle, aunt, mother, or child. You are Kate's child. Gemma is your mother, father, aunt, or uncle. Gemma is your aunt. Now you're going to do some on your own. Nice. Well done, everybody. And we'll see you next time for the past tense of the verb to be.